Hello everyone, it's Ryan with My Listing Club. Today I'm going to show you how to easily create custom thank you page redirects for your My Listing website. Reasons you might want to do this is to further educate your users after they've purchased a product, or to help them get onboarded into your services, or just to try to run them down your sales funnel further. Lots of reasons you might want to do this, and we're going to get into some of that in this video. You can find the written guide here under our resources, guides, and this guide right here. Once this video is completed, it will be uploaded and you'll be able to find that as well on this guide here. You can also find our videos here on this page. So this video will appear here shortly. All right, go ahead and close this down. So here we have the back end of a MyListing website. If we go to our plugins, the plugin we're working with today is Thanks Redirect for Woocommerce. And if we view the details of this plugin and go to its WordPress repository page, kind of get a quick glimpse of what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. This is a free plugin, very simple, great plugin. Haven't found a reason to use the pro version at all, so this works quite nicely. All right, if you want to set up global redirects, meaning, or I should say a global redirect, let's say you don't really have a need to send people to specific thank you pages. You just want them all to go to one thank you page. You can do that with this plugin by going here under Woocommerce, Settings, Products, and Thanks Redirect for Woocommerce. Tick this box, input your global thank you redirect page here, and you'll also want to put in a failure redirect page. We'll show you what that looks like later on in this video. Okay, so another thing important to remember is if you want to do custom redirects based on a certain product purchase or whatever, you got to make sure that this is not enabled, because this trumps everything and it will not allow you to do those custom URLs. Okay, so to do the custom URLs, you simply edit each of your products that you want to have a thank you page or a failure page assigned to them. So the first thing we're going to look at here, we'll look at these are one of our listing packages, listing subscriptions. If we scroll down here, we see a thank you page URL, and we've got that currently set to a page called Reach Further, and we'll show you what that looks like here soon. For our failure page, we have that going to our Oops page, and we'll show you that. So that's really about it. Going back to our products, we wanted to set a custom thank you page for our 3 buckets of products. So that covers our listings, and then let's just look at a service listing. So keys to WordPress hosting, let's edit that. We made our thank you page for this an actual page named thank you, and our Oops page is still our failure page. Our last bucket is our listing promotions. We set those to be the Reach Further page, and we will explain all about that here shortly. And again, our Oops page. Okay, so this stuff's not all that sexy, so let's get into the prettier stuff. Here we have the front end of our MyListing website. This is a new project that's about to launch any day now, so I thought it'd be cool to show it off on this redirect stuff off on this website, since it is an actual live working MyListing website. So let's first sign up for a listing package. We already own that one, so let's buy something new. Put in some test data, dummy data. And we'll fill out the minimum amount of information we need to here to get this thing published. Submit listing. We've already got our payment information in there. There we go. So we've purchased a listing package, a listing subscription, and now we want our customers to be shown this reach further page. And the reason for that is we're giving them two paths to go down, rather than just dumping them in their account dashboard and having them be lost and not know what to do next. We want to give them a couple options. Yes, here they can choose, go right to my account dashboard. I want to see and manage my listings, view my account information, and manage my membership and all that other stuff. But we also want to give them this other option to do more with their listing, just so their listing can be the best it can be, as visible as it can be, get some free help, win some stuff, save money, etc., etc. That's in a green box, not by accident, green color money. So quickly, we'll show you what the account dashboard looks like. So, here they can see their listing and that they just added, it's pending approval, and all the stuff you're used to seeing in MyListing. What we really want to highlight here is the stuff that the reach further page is made of, meaning the listing promotions. Why do you want to promote your listings? And if they want to learn more about that, they can click on this button, and that dumps them into our Platform 101 page where they can learn about promotions and how that all works and what to expect. Okay, scrolling further down, these are deal listings. This is if you're a member and you want to create a listing for a deal in your directory or your product or your service, you can do that here. And I'll just show you quickly what that looks like. These are our demo listings, but typical MyListing stuff, just the deals listing type. Scrolling further down, we've got our partner discounts. If you've been a MyListing Club member, you should be familiar with these. Same thing. Just these are all of our partners and the discounts they offer. Member giveaway, same thing. If you've been a member of the club, you've probably seen this. Same deal. This is just a way to enter the member giveaways whenever they occur. And our last one here is our business level members. That's our highest level package, get free consultations. So they can just click on this link here and it pulls up Calendly, and they just schedule their 20-minute free consultation whenever they want. Okay, so that was our listing packages, listing subscriptions. Now what happens if someone wants a service from us? Okay, so they jump over here and they want some support. They add an hour to their cart. This one gets a thank you page, and this one is tailored to be an onboarding tool. So they bought an hour of support. So if they were to scroll down through here, they would say, "Oh, that's what I bought." And then it just talks about it, like how do we get started? Jump on our chat, let's talk about the next steps. If they bought keys to hosting, jump on chat, let's talk about the next steps. Website builds, let's create an Asana board, and get to work. WordPress care planning, let's get you onboarded, all that kind of good stuff. So whatever your services may be that you do, you can do the same thing. Okay, the last thing is our listing promotions. Let's quickly jump over to our back end of the website and let's approve this listing. Go back to our dashboard over here. And now we can see that our listing is approved. And now we're going to promote it. This is another guide and video that's going to be coming shortly. One really neat thing I found recently was to add this kind of like learn more thing to the promotions, because a lot of people were kind of lost in what those meant. So real quickly, not really what this video is about, but I'll quickly show you. Again, it links to that listings promotion section of the Platform 101 page. So pretty cool stuff. So anyway, let's say okay, I get it. I know what a standard promotion is. Let's do it. And then click on that. Okay, so again, we've chosen to dump them into the Reach Further page, and the reason for that is that listing promotions, while it is part of this, it's just one part of it. We want to get them going down now. They've promoted it, all the things that come with promotions. They're familiar with that, but now we want them to look at this again. Like, what else can I do? Check out the deal listings. Can I check out the partner discounts? Enter a giveaway or schedule a consultation. So it just runs them through this again. Just keep doing it. And that covers our 3 buckets of the things that people could buy on this website as it currently sits. So it's just a really nice way to add a little personalization. There's just so many ways that you can go with this, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. It's what I've chosen to do for this particular website at this point, and I think it's going to work well. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful, and you know how to reach me if you want to discuss this further or have any other ideas and would like to chat. All right, bye-bye.